Good morning, friends. So I have entered a trade in HCL Tech at 66 October, 31st October call at 66. I think HCL Tech will go to 1848 today on spot. It's now 70. If you get a pullback, you can always try it. 800 could be a resistance. 1800. Sorry. So you can see how nicely it is moving up, and my stop is low of the day, which is at 61. And regarding Nifty has just hit our 26056 hour resistance. So let's wait what happens here, whether it's going to act as a resistance or is it going to cross and then is it going to act as a support. So this is an interesting thing. Ideal trade is we reverse here and get back to 953, which would be a very good long opportunity. So I'm going to add more HCL Tech here. Looks very good to me. So remember, this place will be a resistance. So expect a dip also. This is for the daredevils only. So I have got now 5 lots. It's 4 lots. Nifty is nicely giving a reversal candle from here. Let's see if it's a fake candle. At 1800, that's his first resistance. So it could pull back to around 1794, 1790 area. That would be a good entry place as well for those who haven't taken it yet. I'll explain in a bit why HCL. Let's evaluate the market first. Bank Nifty, as I mentioned, without 54, 250 being crossed, Bank Nifty has no future. So even on a 15-minute chart, so Bank Nifty is Nifty is exactly at our resistance point. It is trying to make bearish pattern at the resistance. Let's see if it is a trap or is it a real bearish candle. So ideal place is 25,951 to make a trade, or now if it crosses the high, it opens up a negation of candlestick, bearish candlestick pattern trade. You have to do it quickly and come out fast. So this is not the trade that we ideally want to take. We want to take the trade over here. Builder, if you are there, please comment on the sound quality. So HCL is nicely pulling back, as I mentioned, to 1794 area. 1791 to 1788 is the support now. So my stop loss is 1778. So if Nifty triggers that, let's take Nifty 26,000. HCL Tech has come down to almost my first entry level. I have 2 entries, one at 66 and one at 70. I'm planning for one more entry if I get a bullish breakout here. So I'm so bullish on the stock. I'll explain in a moment why. And my target will be 1848. Forget all these projections. 1848. I expect it to come today itself if the broader market supports. So I'm considering this as an intraday trade for now. If anything changes, so just in case there's any voice problem, which I think there is not, I've added the current trade in the chat box. Yeah. So Nifty, as I expected, is moving and taking out this bearish candle, which of course is bullish. So we are looking at this particular option. It's a lovely pattern as well. So again, it looks like it's going to make a possibility is that either it crosses here or it is going to consolidate along this high, right, and then waste time till 10:30, 11 and then give a breakout. So today I am bullish. You saw yesterday how 54,104 came and Bank Nifty exactly closed there. So and Nifty we saw doing extra bullishness yesterday from our support level, but I thought it'd be a range bound thing like Bank Nifty, but it was not. So Nifty is obviously more bullish than Bank Nifty today. So that's why we are chasing Nifty today and also expect. So HCL Tech has recovered and it is moving up now very nicely. So I will add some more on HCL here. Once it crosses this level on entry, we need to be slightly quick today. Targets are going to be 100 and there's an immediate resistance at 111. Let's assume that it's going to cross that. After that will come 132. Then we will get 153. So okay, anyway, it's breaking down. On a 15-minute time frame, it's also making a inside bar, so that's also one other thing to keep in mind. I'm just checking out stocks now. So on a 5-minute chart, we can see a nice little consolidation happening, which was our scenario number 1. This is good. Consolidating at the high is good when we are looking to go for long, right? Unless he does a fake breakout, which we will never know. So this could be potentially our trade number 1 above this box, right? And further confirming our argument, there is a bull flag, it's a flag on the call option chart. So let's remain tuned for Nifty trade long above our resistance level. Once this breaks out, it should rocket. If we see momentum slowing down, that means that it might come back. So that's because today's expiry, they might just do a fake breakout and then bring it down. So we'll be careful. Just for those who joined late, we have currently one position, that is HCL Tech long, which through 1780 C in October. Average price now is for me is 70.13, and I am expecting 1845 today in HCL Tech. I think probably I can now move to the explanation of HCL Tech why this Nifty doesn't. Oh, okay. Every time I'm trying to do that, Nifty makes up. I just want to enter and can get into explanation. Looks like our man is waking up. Cross the bull and bull flag. Targets are 132, 153, and rest is jackpot. Okay, so that was the entry signal for Nifty 26,000 CE, which is the most resistance area also. Sorry, it's the most support area also. The Nifty, if you want to be safer, then do the next week's contract. It's a good practice to follow in expiry. So it's currently, we can do one up, so 26,100 we can do 152, so 26,100 of 3rd October, currently 151.6. so I'm adding my first entry here. So this is one possibility because it's at the auto resistance, it can completely break down, so give it a little bit of room like this, 26,017, and then if it breaks that, we'll add the other one also, 26,100. So now let's get the targets defined for these two guys. So 173 and 189. 189 seems to be the most likely target. It's crossed the inside bar high. It crossed the day's high as well. Crossed the day's high also. So it's a perfect trade. Let's see. Now nothing is up to us. Today I forgot to look at the stocks. Oh, I got a lot of bearish patterns. Let's look for reversals of those bearish patterns. Best one would be Adani. Nice. So Adani ports. CMP's put 1:3 trade. 15, 14, 50 comes to 1442 and 1449.5 stop and target 1461. So that's an aggressive trade that Bank Nifty is trying to do something and all, but unless this supply is taken out, guys, they will not get the momentum that we saw in Nifty yesterday. And in Nifty, if you can see that syringe is gone, that kind of moment should come in Bank Nifty before we can trade Bank Nifty. I think Adani ports should do well. Please note that it is inside yesterday's range, so till that range gets broken out, that's why I said trade defensively. Let it come down to 1450. If it doesn't come, okay, forget it. 1452 and stopping 1449 point or 1448 and target is 14. The Ashka day is 1460 with a bhagya. Okay, we'll have desktop coming in now. Okay, we have BHEL bullish, Tata Power bullish is interesting because Tata Power was in momentum and yesterday it made a negative candle. The Tata Power 467.5 is our stop loss, and that can fire to 190 or 488 490 तक बड़ा रिस्की ट्रेड है. स्मॉल क्वांटिटी में करूंगा इसको. ये निफ्टी तो अपने जगह पे अटकी हुई है. वांटेड टू ब्रेक आउट फर्स्ट. टपोर हो गया. ऑप्शंस में नहीं करना. टपोर entered at 472. 469.4 is my stop and I'm looking for 488. एक बार हाई क्रॉस कर गया तो अच्छा मोमेंटम आना चाहिए. Tata Power has crossed this high. Pretty good time frame chart. The resistance point. Oh, it should do well. So it's got target of 159. Sorry, 180. Or we'll do this 189. 172, 180. Most likely target is 189. Let's assume that Nifty will break out. Wow, this is curve. Ultimate consolidation. Let him fly. Let him fly. This is the big trade. This is the big trade. Now, if it comes back in, that would be really disappointing. Oh, good trade, good trade, good trade. We need this monster trade to compensate for yesterday. We need this monster win. Fly away. HCL Tech has also broken out to the 1800 range. I think now one thing needs to be done for us to reach our target. I think if everybody on the stream can hit the like button, probably it will help us reach target fast. HCL Tech has hit 74. Okay, I think now I should get into explanation of the HCL. We have only 15 minutes left. So let's get into it. So HCL, so whenever I look at candles, I look at 4-5 days context. So एक candle में एक pattern से कुछ नहीं होता. You have to try and get the context. Okay. तो अभी देखते हैं यहाँ पे context क्या है. तो HCL का पहला, let's understand the structure, right? तो आपको तो यहाँ से देखते हैं. तो हाई बनाया, pull back किया, हाई बनाया, pull back किया, हाई बनाया, पुल बैक किया पर प्रीवियस लो को तोड़ा. Okay, so this is at a stage where people will say M pattern or whatnot and go short. Okay, what does the market do? He makes a hammer next, right, and then an inverted hammer. This is enough for you to know that market is going to reverse from here. Confirmation above this candle. Then it went above this candle. So I did not. I'm watching HCL for a couple of days. Why I did not go? Because there's a resistance over here. And what did it do yesterday? Closed above the resistance. And now look at the way that the candles are getting squeezed here. Squeeze means ultimate squeeze. A range. कितने inside bar बनाए? Inside bar, inside bar, inside bar. This is slightly outside bar. This is again one inside bar. So it's like this guy has got pent up anger in him. And once he breaks, he should fire 1811 पे ये resistance आएगा, right? 18.8 I think 1808 और almost आ गया already. और उसके बाद all time high यहाँ पे आएगा. Sorry, not all time high आएगा 1830 पे. So this would be another resistance, and I think he will cross this high and 1845 because जितना उसमें जो भर भर के yes suffered this congestion for so long, he should explode. It's been my experience. I could be wrong anyway. Then we have to trail and book profit accordingly as per your wish. I am earning for 1849 today. For that, I'm willing to risk all my profits. I wouldn't hold on till if it now comes back to my first buying. Okay? So that's my plan for HCL Tech. Why and how? And there's no magic pill. You have to go and look at the charts every day. So yesterday I saw one comment, how do you do selection of stocks? But yeah, watch the stocks, right? And if you're trading in options, you only have to look at the F&O stocks, you see, right? So every stock का geography आपको पता होना चाहिए. You have to be willing to do that much hard work to make money from this market. If you are not a great lucky person like me, मुझे hard work से ही मिलता है पैसे. कुछ there is nothing like if I buy you some call and jackpot मिला हो, कभी नहीं हुआ मेरे साथ. So I believe that most people are like that. So do the hard work, do the hard yards, try to understand candlesticks in the way that it is representing buyer and seller sentiments, right? So आप exactly technical analysis कर रहे हो, previous behavior का prediction होता है every time. That's what you are counting on, and candlesticks give you the best analysis of whether buying pressure, selling pressure, fake candle बना रहा है. So read my book if you haven't. It will be a good primer, or Steven Eisen's book is also a good one to get started and start practicing. And there's no magic formula except, in my opinion, except for hard work. So 3 महीना 6 महीना practice करो, then you will get your own stuff. Okay, so that's about HCL Tech, why I took it, one entry already explained in this video, and target is also explained. Anything else? No, nothing else. That's it. So but we are left with this Nifty. Hopefully he will fight back from here, just the breakout point, and so that's all which needed clarification from me, I think. Any questions or suggestions, please? This is the right time. We have 9 more minutes. Our position man Aditya is short in Dixon. Why? आज तो IT ऊपर चल रहा है ना, ऊपर support already दिख गया. Daily also it's on support. Aditya has good reasons to short it. He's an ace trader. I wouldn't though, because it's a 3 support. एक बार अभी 1440 cross 14,040 cross कर गया, तो I prefer to buy this. Anyway, this is out of my radar. I don't like such high price. Good luck Aditya. 25 minutes में देखो ये support भी आ रहा है, although can be made. I don't know. Depends on where you short it and all that. But I trust your judgment. Tata Power is also exploding now very nicely, and this should take us to 488 यहाँ पे target है. So intraday trade which can be converted to position if the market is closing well and the stock is closing well. So ideally I would book half position at here, and then I will see towards 330 what all the targets, everything I have explained. So we have 3 positions: HCL Tech long, Nifty long, and Tata Power long. Of this, Nifty is troubling us. Rest 2 are going very well. It's still gaining only, but still okay. And since today was an expiry day, I really wanted to that breakout to work faster. Now breakout के बाद नीचे आया. So that's 26,056 pehले resistance था, and if bulls want to take it up, they have to take it up from here. So this candle's low can be very good stop loss, which is 26,039, क्योंकि ये breakout candle है, तो नीचे आने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है इसको, because we have strong support at 26,056, which is our daily level also. And from here we are looking for 26,130 or 113. Okay. Yeah, 26,118. No, 26,118. So यहाँ तक आना है. That's the first target, and second target is 26,205. This is what we are aiming for today. Call option we mentioned 189. Be careful. So now we don't have anything to do. Just execute the target or the stop loss and follow the second. That's it. Okay, friends, 4 more minutes. Any questions on open positions or any other comments? Last chance and minute to post the questions. मैंने बोला था अब सब like करोगे तो ऊपर जाएगा. So do the needful, please. It's a superstition, but it works. So we go with what works. Okay, friends, thank you for joining. And today looks like is our day. Let's make the most out of it. And thank you for joining. Really appreciate that. And we'll see you probably on Monday. Now, I'm not sure tomorrow, but let's see if the market gives a big move today. Then probably tomorrow it'd be a waste of time to trade. I will update on Twitter. That's it. Okay, so take care and have a great expiry day. Don't do unnecessary trading. 3 trades are more than enough. And if all succeed, we are going to laugh our way to the bank. So that's it. Take care and do great candlestick trades. Bye bye.